This is a large language model. It's the smartest thing humanity has ever built. It has read every book, knows every coding language, and can even pass the bar exam. Without a connection to your real data, this super genius is just a very fancy autocomplete. For the last 2 years, if you wanted your AI to talk to your data, you've had to build a custom bridge. We call these integrations. And it was a nightmare. Every time you wanted to add a new tool, say a new database, you had to write new code. It was expensive, it broke constantly, and it's why your AI still felt dumb at work. Enter the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. The best way to understand MCP is to look at your phone charger. Before USB-C, we had around 20 different cables. Now one port connects everything. MCP is the USB-C port for artificial intelligence. MCP gives every piece of software, your files, your code, your chats, a standard way to plug into an AI model. The AI doesn't need to know how Google Drive works anymore. It just plugs in and reads the data. Here is what it looks like today. You tell Claude, fix the bug. Because of MCP, Claude instantly connects to your GitHub repo to read the code, checks your database for error logs, and drafts a fix. No custom code required, it just works. This is the future of the internet. Not AI models that live in a box, but AI models that live in your computer, connecting to everything you do. The glass box is broken. The AI is finally free. Welcome to the age of agents.